Hey guys, I'd like to introduce you to my new grandson. This is Crew. He will be 5 months old November 6th. He was born on June 6th. And he's getting to be a big boy. This is the first time out in the lumberyard. I have some pallets right next to us here that I'm going to try to get some of this firewood cleaned up. So Crew came out here today. I have him today. And then on Thursday, then on Friday this week. So if we're going to get something done, I'm going to have to get it done with him, and I got to learn to adapt. And I guess he has to learn to adapt, and he likes the outdoors. And it's a nice day today. I did hear some thunder off in the distance. It's supposed to get 70 degrees, upper 60s today, but we'll see. It's West Michigan. Super hard frost yesterday, so I'm going to get these pallets going. All right, Crew, you ready to help Grandpa? Yeah. How's that fist taste? Better than my breakfast. So let's get you so you can see me, Crew. I modeled these pallets a little bit after Phil and Karen's pallets on Allen Family Firewood. You talking to me? You talking? We'll see how much we can get done, even if I just get the rope through here and maybe one row filled up. Three rows on this is one rack. So I'm guessing there's probably a half a cord here. Ooh, that's a broken. I'm gonna put a board there. Some of these are longer than 16. That's before I built that firewood processor. I was just cutting these on the ground by eye, so that's the issue here, guys. So you're gonna ask, don't they fall out? They don't. As these get filled up, they get pushed out. I'll come about halfway and then I'll put another 2 racks on there, or sideboards on. What am I using this firewood for? I don't sell firewood, guys. I may in the future. I've been thinking about getting into some bundle wood service. You know, we get a lot of splits or a lot of slabs off that mill. You know, for me personally though, my house uses anywhere from 15 to 20 full cord a year. In between all my little cabins, I go through a couple more cord. So I cut a lot of firewood for myself. I've been doing firewood full-time basis like this, a lot of firewood per year since I've been we got married in 90. Yes, it's 1990, 33 years. Because our first house had a wood stove as well. Had one of those whole house units down in the basement. And we'd go through, not much there, 3 to 5 cord a year. So as a kid, in my 20s, yeah, I cut a few cord a year. Like I said, 5 cord a year. But since we moved here, I built this house in 2001. The wood stove went in 2000, and the first season was 2004. So this is the 20th year. So we've been 20 years. We've been burning 15 to 20 cord a year. And I did go through the selling phase for a while there. I was selling about 20 to 30 cord a year as well. In the mid 2008, 9. My daughter and I were doing it. Then my son and I, when my daughter graduated, were doing it. It was a good way for him to make money and learn how to use it. Oh, get your hat back on, buddy. It gave Garrett and I a way to make a little money and hang out together, and he got a chance to learn how to use all the chainsaws and all our equipment. So I really enjoy firewood. It's kind of like I do hunt, but it's also kind of like my hunting season. I can't believe how content he is. New woodhound. You've all met Raylan several times. He too is a woodhound. He likes his trucks. He calls them his vroom vrooms. Excavators, dump trucks, bulldozers, anything like that, Raylan loves. Raylan will be 2 this weekend. Wow. We got to get him back on this channel. Almost gonna have to get out of here. Let's see what happens. See how hard this is gonna be. Cover him up there. This is a new environment, a little wet, isn't it, crew? It's gonna stop. This ain't gonna be much of a rain. Chet Gerber. Oh, he's a subscriber. I can't take this right now. I'm gonna have to though. Chet, how you doing?
Jerry, how you been?
I'm doing good. I'm out at the wood yard right now with my little grandson.
Oh, okay. I've been watching your video.
That was one of the subscribers. Chet is his name. Great guy. That's how accessible I am, guys. Give me a call if you need anything too. I'll answer your questions in the comments, phone call, email. Reach out to me by email if you need to chat with me by phone, and I'll give you my number. I just don't leave it. Yeah, maybe it might be in the description. As I am a business. All right, maybe the rain just stopped. We got a little wet, didn't we, crew? Oh, let me straighten you up a little bit there. You got a little wet. There you go. How's that, buddy? I think he's gonna be ready for a nap soon. Me too. I hear ya. Yeah, these are a little long. Ooh, here comes the sun. Oh, someone's getting tired. You know, with that firewood processor I built right behind us, that will make much better, much more consistent logs. I can put the long ones on the top when it's all filled up. I still think this is a good way to go if you don't have access to a lot of totes, which I don't right now. Oh, oh, I see what happened. You slipped down in your seat. I'll get you picked up there, buddy. Hang on. Hang on. There you go. Can we? Hey, let's see. It won't be done. Oh, hey, buddy. You ready to go in the house? Wait. We can get him to stop crying. There. That was easy. Now he's talking. It appears he likes. Oop, now he's mad. Appears he likes the outside though better than inside. He likes to keep me on my toes inside. All right, crew. We're gonna go in a second. I'm almost done, buddy. Can we do it? Are you gonna let me get it? You gonna let me get it? I think someone is saying, I'm done, Grandpa. Hey, you allowed me to get this far. There you are. Hi. Yeah. Now he's smiling. He's gonna let me finish. Maybe you want a clean log to play with. Here's one. Nope. I don't want one. Too big. There you go. He's intrigued. You almost ready to go in, huh? I hear ya. Who are you talking to? You talking to me? Who's all that chatter with? Little rain came through, now we have 100% blue skies. Hardly a cloud in the sky. You almost ready to go? Maybe that sun's getting you. Let me put your shade up for you. Give you another view. Kids are simple sometimes. You just gotta put them in a new environment. You might allow me to get this done. I bet he's getting hungry too. Oh, we're almost done. We're almost done. We only got a couple more to put up here, okay? You see it. He is so happy, guys. Maybe I just keep going. Maybe he'll like the tractor rides and things too, like Raylan. I'm right here. I didn't go anywhere, crew. Hey. Ooh. Maybe he's getting warm. It is warm out here now. It is 70 for sure. Okay, I think that's it. I think we'll go back for a walk. Hey, can I? A couple more. Then I'll get you. Okay. Maybe doesn't like this piece. You ready to go for a walk again? Continue on our walk?